Alright, carriage in. Need to make sure your keyway, your drive gear pinion is lined up. You need to lower the arm hooks. You need to loosen the set screw and lower it down to the score that's on the shaft. Retighten the hand screw. Again, score on the shaft. There's only two positions. There's up and there's down. There's nothing in the middle. Next, come around back. Come around back. Take your hand wrench. Rotate the arms until they are in the almost down position. Then you can lower your guard. Take the wrench off, put it back in the holder. Next, you have your high speed and your low speed completely independent. You have your high and your low drive selector here. E-stop is a twist, push. Okay? Twist to release, push to stop. Let's go low speed, low speed. On off for each speed is right here. High speed, selector, on. E-stop works for both speeds. To get the carriage out, rotate it till it's in the down position. Bring your ball guard up. Always take your wrench out and replace it. Come around to the front. Roll these back up to the top. There's a score line also in the bottom for the up position. You need to go back to the rear and jog the arms so they are back in the up position so that you can remove the bowl carriage, and then you're free to take the carriage out. And that's the order of operations.